What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time on my channel, what's up, fam? It's your boy Ace
and your boy Warwick.
And today we bring you a very nice German machine. It's the Audi A5 Quattro. And before we get into detail, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you who've been supporting me. Thank you, it really means a lot, and I believe that together we'll go far.
The 2013 Audi A5 is a good luxury small car that offers impressive fuel economy estimates for the class, an excellent reliability score, and a range of potential engines. It features an elegant cabin and lots of trunk space, as will be seen in the video. This one in particular is a 2.0-litre TFSI 1990cc turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 211.5 brake horsepower, that's around 165 kilowatts, and 350 Newton meters of torque. It's an automatic with a 7-speed tronic dual-clutch transmission and can reach top speeds of around 280 km per hour.
In addition, it also has an aftermarket exhaust, carbon fiber spoiler, and carbon fiber trim on the rear bumper. So today we're going to start with the rear. The trunk has a capacity of 480 liters that can be converted into 980 when the seats are folded down flat. Come see. Okay, the back of the Audi feels very nice. The seats are very comfy, and you get an armrest. Some nice storage over here with an Audi first aid kit with the Audi logo on it, and also cup holders. Isn't that fantastic? I mean, Audi is just giving us everything. Perfect. The back also offers nice legroom, and the roof is high enough so you won't encounter any problems if you're tall. So guys, welcome to the cabin. This car feels so nice. The seats are so luxurious. Steering wheel feels so nice. And of course, electrical seats, very comfy. I will not lie, these seats are very comfy. And then here you got cup holders. There's some little space you can chunk the key right there. No bloopers this time. More storage over there. The gear feels so nice and also looks nice. I mean, the visual representation of the car is just nice. You get the S-Line Quattro right there. Oh, by the way, Quattro means 4-wheel drive, so this is an A5 Quattro, that's 4-wheel drive. I get the S-Line right here on the steering wheel. Just and then Audi logo, of course, over there. Shift paddles. These things just make you feel like you want to push the car to the limits. It's nice. I don't even know what to say. Of course, you get push to start ignition. Listen to that, man. Yeah? Very nice, man. Very nice.
Other additional features include carbon fiber trims in the interior, blind spot monitoring, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, and electronic stability. We've both taken the car for a test drive, and what has really fascinated me about the car is its handling and power steering. It makes it so easy to maneuver through corners and gives you a good feel when driving.
And wow, it's amazing. It's so amazing, right?
I'm telling you, if you have 2.9 million somewhere, just come for it.
Just come for the car. Just come for
the
it.
car.
So special thanks to Cairo. He's the one who lended us the Audi.
So what's up, guys? You can come check the car out at Diamond Plaza. We normally open Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so sure, feel free to drop by.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you so much.